Alright, in this problem we're asked to write an equation that represents the line that goes through the points 1, 2, and 4, 4. So to write the equation of a line, in this problem I'm going to be using the point slope formula. You can also do it using a table, you can do it using a graph, but the easiest way that I feel like in this problem is going to be using the point slope formula. The problem is, in order to use the point slope formula, and I'm just going to write it off to the side here, just so we can use it a little bit later. It's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So the problem is, in order to use the point slope formula, we need a point and a slope. And in this problem, we actually have plenty of points, but we don't have a slope. Remember, however, that if you're given 2 points, you can find the slope by using the slope formula. And in this case, it's going to be m equals y2 minus y1, or the second y minus the first y, over x2 minus x1, or the second x minus the first x. Plugging in this information, y2 minus y1 is going to be 4 minus 2. So we have 4 minus 2 over x2 minus x1, which is going to be 4 minus 1, over 4 minus 1, and this simplifies to 2/3. So now we have a slope and we have a point. We have plenty of points. We have 1, 2, and 4, 4. So we can use our slope, which is 2/3, and and either point 1, 2, or 4, 4. So let's just go with the point 1, 2. Now, point slope formula is read y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m represents the slope and y1 and x1 represents the point. So if we substitute this in, we have y minus, if we're going to use our first point, it's going to be y minus y1, which is y minus 2. If we were going to use the point 4, 4, it would be y minus 4. So we're going to use the point 1, 2, so it's going to be y minus 2 equals m, which is our slope, which we already identified as 2/3. So we have 2/3 times x minus x1, or x minus 1. Solving from here, we can distribute the 2/3 through the parentheses on the right side to get 2/3 x minus 2/3, and bringing down the y minus 2 on the left side, we have y minus 2 equals 2/3 x minus 2/3. Solving from here, I would actually write the equation in standard form. Since the question does not specify whether to leave it in slope-intercept or standard form, I'm just going to put it in standard form. So to put the equation of a line in standard form, we can't have any fractions in it. So I'm going to first get rid of the fractions by multiplying both sides of the equation by the common denominator for those fractions, which in this case is 3. I'm just going to multiply both sides by 3. On the left, we have 3y minus 6, and then 2/3 x times 3. The 3's cancel. We have 2x. And then negative 2/3 times 3. The 3's cancel. We have minus 2. Now we're going to move our x term, our constant term, to the right side to give us 3y equals 2x plus 4, and in standard form our x term has to be on the left side, so we're going to subtract 2x from both sides, giving us negative 2x plus 3y equals 4, and in standard form the coefficient of the x term has to be positive, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 1 to give us 2x minus 3y equals negative 4. So that is going to be the equation of this line written in standard form.